Welcome back. Once you add an actual template to your canvas, you're going to notice that there are things that you can add to your design. First, in the top left-hand corner on the menu, you're going to see an Elements area, and this is where you can place elements on top of the design that will enhance what it is that you are trying to communicate with the visual image. What you can do here is you can then search for what it is that you are looking for, and when you place your cursor inside of this area, you're going to notice within the element search that you can then start to look for specific elements to place in your design. And you'll see all those elements here. And what you'll want to do is you'll want to start with the category that you're going to want. You can then click on the category, and then you can begin to search for the specific element. We can then place our cursor back in this area. If we want to go backwards and just go back to the top of the Elements menu, we can go back by clicking the back arrow, place our cursor here, and what we can then do is we can search within a specific element. Now, assuming that we don't want any specifics, and what we want to do is we want to see the range, we can then type in a keyword. Once we type in the keyword, we'll search, which you'll then see are the different ways in which that element can then be added, and you'll see them here across the top. Also, if you want to choose specific graphics, if you want to choose specific photos, if you want to add in specific videos, if you want to add in specific audios, basically what you're doing is searching for the element that you want and getting as specific as you can from within your search menu. So when you're placing elements, you want to use the search menu, but you also want to use the customizing elements in order to get the search as close as you can. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.